Welcome. The first step is to access the DCC config file. This is done by getting into the DCC VX program by clicking this icon. You'll want to sign into the username admin, then enter the password given to you by your Poltys dealer. We'll be clicking on the left-hand side tab labeled Settings, and then Modify. An Excel file will open up. This will be called Configuration, and then we'll have the date that you are working on it. And across the bottom there are tabs to show various different areas that we can configure. In general, we're going to focus on the staff or the admin or alarm generating devices. For this tutorial, we're going over how to add a user to the droids. And so we will click the Staff tab. Over here on the left, you'll see all of the staff names of the people who are currently able to log into the droids. In order to add one, we'll select a location, select the entire row, then click Insert, then select one of the rows that matches the same job titles as the person you're adding. Right click on that row and copy it. Select the area where you're adding to, right click and paste. Now there's just a couple of areas where we're going to have to modify, and those are all on this section here. Over here, and this is why we copy pasted, so that it would just have all of those settings in place, because none of those will change. So in this tab here, box here, we will add the name of your employee. The next box over is their job type. You can select as many job types as you want the person to be able to log into. In this case, we're going to do just CNA, so let's select CNA. In this column, we will select the login, and this is what they will type in to the droid in order to log in. So it's best to use something simple. We use their first full name and their first initial. And then password, if you'd like to have a password set up with the system. If you'd like an easy one, just do 1, 2, 3, 4. If you'd like to do one that is more complex, you can use the last 4 numbers of their phone number, or however you'd like to do it. That's all you need to change and configure, so just click Save. And then that is done. All you need to do is go into the Droid and test to make sure you're able to access or log into the Droid app.